A new severe thunderstorm warning across northern Lake and northern Porter counties. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until Wednesday.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 10 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alsip to Hobart to near Valparaiso, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Griffith, Chesterton, Lake Station, Linwood, Whiting, Porter, Burns Harbor, and Wheeler. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 27. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 253 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.